In this video, I'm going to show how the real-time sequencer and the note or piano roll view works in Lightning. When you first turn Lightning on, you start off at the screen, which is the chord view. The chord view allows you to play the notes in a chord. What we're going to do is call up the soft keys and move to the note view so that we can use the real-time sequencer easily. We're going to move to the right using the View Next button. This is important because the two main views, chord and notes, determine the way the other views work. So if we're moving to the right from the initial view, which is this chord view, it means that the notes are going to be active. So when we press these capacitive touch senses, we're going to get individual notes. If we went to the piano roll or note view the other direction, the chords view would be the last of those two views that was visible, and that means that we'd be playing chords in the real-time sequencer or note view. So it's a little bit tricky, but if you just keep in mind the last of the two views, notes or chords you went through, it'll help you understand why you're hearing the notes in a scale or the notes in a chord. So again, we're just going to press next one more time, and this is going to take us to the piano roll view. And then I'm going to press in the center of the screen to dispatch the soft keys. Now in this view, you can see that there's a current location in the song. There's a time signature here and number of beats per minute. And if we go into record mode by going to the transport, and here we see there's a record action in the transport category. So I'm going to press that, and it's going to say record ready. So basically what this means is we're queued up and ready to start recording. Now at this point we could also turn on the metronome, and that would enable us to play along with the metronome. And the very first note we play is going to move from this record ready mode into recording mode. So now I've played a few notes, and what I can do here is stop recording, and if I press rewind, you'll see the notes that I recorded. So each one of these rectangles here indicates an octave in this direction and a measure in this direction. So if we want to play back what I just recorded, we can press play. And it will loop when it gets to the end by default. You can use a menu item to turn off that default behavior. Now, each of the notes that you see here is indicating a color. The color is associated with the channel. So each of the 16 different channels that's available has a different color associated with it. And at any given point in time, each channel also has an instrument associated with it. We're in channel 1, which has acoustic grand piano associated with it. All of those instrument mappings are defined in a profile, and you can have virtually any number of profiles, and there are 7 profiles provided for you by default. This also tells us our location in the song and the duration of the song. And so that's the basic use of the real-time sequencer and the piano roll or note view. You can overdub the notes that you've already played, or you can use the transport menu to rewind to the beginning, and then use the context menu to select a different channel. So let's select, say, channel 3, that's percussion organ. Let's go up and select channel 4, that's acoustic guitar. And now when we play notes and record, we're going to get acoustic nylon guitar notes. Also, keep in mind that each channel has an octave associated with it, so you can change the octave associated with that channel using the context category of soft keys and octave down and octave up. And in another video, we're going to go through how to edit the notes you played here. So you can cut, copy, and paste these notes either within the song or between songs. And I guess the last thing I'd like to show is if we go back to the transport and then we hit record. I'm sorry, if we hit play followed by record, then we get overdub. And as I said before, this allows us to play on top of the music that's looping. So you can see this acoustic guitar is indicated in a different channel. It's playing in a different octave. And so that's how to use the real-time sequencer and the piano roll or note view. In another video, I show how to use the step-based sequencer that gives you a quantized sequencer. And both of these sequencers are compatible. You can record in one and then modify it in the other. You can cut, copy, and paste in both. So the underlying representation of the notes is the same. It's just whether you want to play the notes in real time or you want them to be quantized. And there's also a menu item that allows you to quantize the selection. So if you want to, you can play your notes in the real-time sequencer and then quantize them later. And one other thing I guess I'd like to go into is if we go to the menu here and we move forward to the song menu, so this is the song menu, here we can do a number of things that are helpful in playing or recording or editing our song, including doing things like setting the measured length, inserting tempo changes, inserting time signature changes, and so on and so forth. So that's the real-time sequencer.